How to buy a baby token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rules on crypto with the best referral code simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too, and also go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 400 members in it. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 10 days ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That means your investment in the safe place. This token trending number 10 in this section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Radium. Now first of all, connect your wallet. I will use the Biscuit wallet for that. So after you connect your wallet, now go, if you don't find your token here, go back to the screener and copy the token address from here and go back to your Radium. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So as you can see, we'll be able to find your token here. Click on add token and click on it again to be able to see it here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and make sure of course that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. Click on more info and you make sure to read all that information here, and if you are ready to go, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy baby token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.